Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out this stand I have for my phone. So I've been using on my desk, you can kind of see right there, I've been using one of these stands and it just falls over all the time when I have my phone on it. Here, I'll put this one here on it. And it's just not stable at all, but check out what I have now. This is one of the ones that's made for a car with the suction cup and stuff. So now I have this. And look at that. So now I can have a proper phone stand on my desk that my phone will mount to. Look at that. Totally cool. And I always have to plug mine in because I'm transferring data in there. So I didn't want one that had a power on it. Oh, this one here is the old photo. But you get the idea. So look at how cool that is. And I can just totally aim it wherever I want. And now I have a good phone stand for my desk, and it matches kind of all my other stuff here, my computer and whatnot. So very cool. I like it. Very nice. It's by Aoviho. Very cool. And it also comes with, you can see it comes with some of these little things here, like the metal magnet thing. So if you have something else you want to connect it to, you could always stick this onto something else. I don't really have anything else. My phones all are MagSafe, but that's what I'll be putting it to. But if I want to put it on something else, I could just go and take the tape off here, like that, tape this onto something else, and then that'll magnetize on there. What else would I want to put on there? Let's see. Okay, my Pepsid. Let's see if I want to put my Pepsid on there. I could just go and put sticker that on there. I didn't even get a very good sticker on it. Okay, there we go. It looks like I have a little plastic to peel off it as well. But I wouldn't even bother with that. But look, now I can just go and now I can have my Pepsid magnetized on there. So you can really put that onto anything and then sticker it on. So anything else you want to stick on there to have it stand up. So super cool, awesome. I'll be using it for the phone. I'll be using it for the phone that I'm recording with, but you get the idea. Very cool. And then if you wanted to take it with you or something like that, it looks like it folds up pretty small. So you could, but mine will be on my desk. Very cool, thumbs up.